Hello everyone, in today's video I will show you how the Instagram hashtags work in 2020. Also, I will tell you some tips and tricks and how to find good hashtags and how do they work in general. Let's get started. Let's go to instagram.com. You can do it from your phone, I will do it from my laptop, it's the same thing. So let's go to the search bar and search for any hashtag you want that is in your niche, and I will just show you how it works. First of all, when you go to a hashtag, first of all, the first thing you see is the amount of posts they have. This hashtag is top, it's like popular and really big. And here you can see the top posts. These are the top posts, the best performing posts, and these are the most recent posts. These are just recent posts that people uploaded. So your goal is to get on the top posts. Here, how you get here is actually by getting a good amount of engagement when you first post. That means in the first 30 minutes to 90 minutes, you should get a good amount of engagement, likes, comments, saves, shares, all that kind of stuff. But if your page is small and you just started, you cannot rank on those big hashtags. And what you want to do is find small hashtags that are in your niche. So that's the first thing that you should do. Go and find small hashtags. So go to the search bar, type hashtag, and then write something that is in your niche, a keyword like business as we said before, and go and find a small hashtag on this list. I will use business minds as an example because it has only 60k posts, and as you can see it's a small hashtag. But when you find a small hashtag, go to top posts, and here you should look at the likes and comments that each post gets. As you can see, 4.5k, 1.4, 4.9, 3.9. The average is 3-4k likes. So that's not so good if we are a small page just starting out. What you can do is go to related hashtags and find here other hashtags that are small and that can help you rank on those. Go to, let's say, business inspiration. This should be a small hashtag. As you can see, it's not that big, but the likes here are a bit lower. But again, it's a little bit hard too. If you want, you can use this hashtag. It's not that big, it's not huge, but you can use it. This one is a good example of hashtag. It has 81k posts, but as you can see, the first one have good amount of likes, but here you can see it drops a little bit. You can see it drops. So you can use this hashtag and you have a high probability to rank on those hashtags. So this is how you do it. You find a small hashtag, you go to that one. If it doesn't fit your hashtags, go to related hashtags and find from these ones. Pretty simple, you can do it, everyone can do it, but it takes a little bit of time to find the perfect hashtags to use. Also, I would recommend having 1, 2, 3 set of hashtags so you won't seem that spammy to Instagram algorithm, because Instagram algorithm has changed a lot this year and we want to be seen as less spammy as possible. And this applies in every niche. As you can see, let's go and type hashtag keto. And we can go down there and search for a small hashtag. So I found this hashtag which has 130k posts, but these posts have good amount of likes. So you can go to related hashtags and search there the hashtag you prefer most, like simple keto. You can see here some posts have less likes, some others have more, but you can use this hashtag for example. Something that you should notice is that you should use 10 small hashtags, 10 to 50k posts, then 10 medium hashtags like 50 to 200k posts, and then bigger ones that are 500k or maybe more and more. You should find what works best for your account and use these hashtags. Also, strategy you should do to rank in the top posts is when you post, go to hashtag you used, go to most recent ones and comment on those posts. Comment something meaningful and nice and something that doesn't look spammy. And then these people will check out your post, they will like your post, comment on your post, and you will gain some momentum, you will gain early engagement, and then this early engagement will help you rank in the top posts. That was the video. I hope I helped you, and if I did, drop a like in this video, comment anything you want to ask me, maybe something you want to suggest me or you have any questions. Also, subscribe to my channel to support me as well, turn on the notifications so you won't miss out any of the future videos. Thank you a lot for watching and see you next time.